Elephants move in forests, both in the hilly terrain and plain areas. They prefer more than 120 food plants. They use over 100 to 200 liters of water every day. Now, there is scarcity of food for elephants inside the forest. During summer, they lack water in their habitat, for which they come out from forest and raid human habitation for food and water. Therefore, human-elephant conflict, moving fast towards an alarming state, has arisen mostly from frequent incursion of this gigantic animal in human landscape for foraging after being suffered from scarcity of food in its own habitat. The staple and most palatable food plant for elephant is Salia Bamboo, Dendrocalamns strictus, constituting the major chunk, nearly 70%. This is an evergreen perennial woody grass with often solid stem, occurs as an understory predominantly in deciduous mixed sal as well as teak forests. As per India State of Forest Report 2021, the area under this medium-sized bamboo is 11,116 square kilometer, of which 75% in scattered patches in Odisha, with a loss of 628 square kilometer in comparison to 2009 assessment, indicating both decline and degradation in elephant food base, which shows urgency for regeneration and augmentation of this important bamboo species. Dasapalla area of Nayagad Forest Division was once full of Salia bamboo forest. Now, though the extent of such bamboo forest has been decreased, still there is enough bamboo for elephants, for which elephants in Nayagad Forest Division hardly come out of forest, and human-elephant conflict in Nayagad is less in comparison to other parts of the state of Odisha. Save Elephant Foundation Trust, a non-government and no-profit making organization working for elephant conservation through conflict resolution since 2012, improvised a simple and low-cost method of seed ball sowing to enhance bamboo crop quantitatively and qualitatively in the elephant habitats, the details of which are seed collection, genetically superior and viable seeds duly certified with more than 80% germination capability are procured from state silviculturist or a genuine agency preferring provenance of identical climatic condition. Seed treatment. After physical separation and discard of immature and unhealthy ones, soaking in neem leaf dipped water for 5 to 10 minutes and immediate perfect sun drying is done. Soil mixture. Fertile soil, sand and vermicompost or cow dung manure should be dried, crushed and sieved separately and mixed thoroughly in proportion of 2:1:1 respectively. Soil duff. Water is added to the mixture for making duff of required viscosity, suitable for molding into ball. Seed ball making. Small beads are made from the duff, followed by inserting 6 to 8 seeds inside as far as possible at center and then rolled in palm to prepare smooth and rounded ball of about 3 cm diameter. Drying of seed ball. Air drying in shade is done for 3 to 4 days until seed balls are dry and hard, having diameter of 2.5 cm after shrinkage and ready for sowing. All the above activities need to be completed by mid-May. Sowing can be done either manually in hilly inaccessible area or through drone in accessible area. But this operation is required to be completed within May last week or at least 1 week prior to onset of monsoon. After successful trail exhibiting high germination and survival in Atagad Forest Division in past years, the Trust launched Elephant Food Security Program on 1st July 2023, adopting this easy and economical practice to increase the quantum of Salia Bamboo crop in Luhapada Forest under Jadeswar Range of Baleswar Wildlife Division and Hatitop Forest Block under Kharagpur Forest Division of West Bengal during the occasion of 74th Ban Mahotsav week, involving the villagers facing the brunt of elephant menace. Youths, students, local public representatives and forest officials participated in the bamboo seed ball sowing program in 2023. Now, after 1 year, Salia bamboo seedlings have achieved the height of about 4 meters, that is 10 feet to 12 feet. It is observed that elephants have loved to eat the twigs of many bamboo seedlings during their sojourn to Luhapada forests.
Save Elephant Foundation Trust has taken up in a very war footing to demonstrate that to raise bamboo inside forest is not that difficult. We prepare seed balls and then sow it in the forest. That does not take any amount. We do voluntarily and take the voluntary help of the Hathi Sathis and villagers. You see one of the bamboo plant, how it is only 1 year old. We have sown these seeds in last year July. So now it is 1 year and 3 months old only, and this is the growth of the bamboo plant. And we will see many of the bamboo plants have been eaten by the elephants when they have come into this forest.
Due to the success story of bamboo seed ball sowing in Luhapada Forest, Save Elephant Foundation Trust, in collaboration with Bonai Forest Division during 2024, 170 hectares of Mendha Muruni and Bhabani Pahad forests have also been covered using 2 lakh seed balls from 85 kg of bamboo seeds. More sprouting, less mortality and luxuriant growth are observed in the field, encouraging us to propagate further and make it a mass movement by all stakeholders as a sustainable conflict resolution.
In an experimental basis with Save Elephant Foundation Trust, with their guidance, we planned bamboo seed ball sowing in our forest area. After 4 months, we found very encouraging result. The seed balls sprouted well, and I think this experiment will be success in future. If the result will be good, we will augment more area this method, because this is very cost effective method and it will mitigate this conflict and shortage of fodder material for elephant in mid-term and in long-term also.
It is to emphasize that it is easy to raise bamboo forest from bamboo seed balls. It is cost effective as no nursery is raised and no need of digging of pits. Planted seedlings of bamboo do not survive once it is trampled or eaten away by either wild or domesticated animals due to root disturbance of seedlings in a pit. In contrast, seedlings from seed ball first anchor their roots firmly in the soil and thereafter their shoots come out. Therefore, even after any damage of shoots by animals, bamboo seedlings from seeds or seed balls have better survivability in the forests.
It is a very important plant, and this plant can increase the density of the forest and also quality of the forest for absorbing carbon dioxide in the forest. So we should sow more seeds in the forest. We should not go for planting. Rather, we should go for sowing of seeds that will be cost effective and the plants will not die away.
Bamboo makes the forest dense as it grows in the understory. Moreover, it sequesters more carbon dioxide than any other plants, to the extent of 25 to 30 times than an ordinary plant. Further, it provides food to herbivores and shelter to all kinds of wild animals. Let us raise more and more Salia Bamboo forests from seeds, and in this way, we can save our life and property from elephants in a long-term basis.